7 cozy crochet small dog sweaters for your furry friend. The Easy Dog Sweater Crochet Pattern Pink Gray Dog Jumper from Crochet by Kirby, owned by Cheryl, is an instant digital download for a beginner, intermediate level pink and gray roll neck dog sweater. The Crochet Dog Sweater Pattern from Crochet Guru, designed by Bobby Thompson, is a free, easy level crochet pattern for a dog sweater that can be made into a bumblebee costume or a warm winter sweater. Haley's Crochet Box, owned by Haley, offers an easy crochet jumper pattern for small dogs or dachshunds with a 16-inch chest. This digital download uses Aran yarn to create a cozy, warm, and stylish garment. Lottie and Lulu's Christmas Tutu from Lottie and Lulu Crochet, owned by Beth Durham, is a PDF digital download for a beginner-friendly crochet Christmas dress for pets. The free Easy Karan Happy Dog Crochet Sweater Pattern from Yarnspirations is a free, easy level crochet coat made with Karan Coloramo Go yarn. It includes sizes small to extra large 12 to 22 inches chest and recommends checking gauge for accurate fit. The Hooded Dog Sweater Pattern from Jenny Staker Inspired, owned by Jenny Staker, is an easy digital crochet pattern for a cozy hooded dog sweater. The design features a fuzzy trim and bobble stitch detail, perfect for holidays or everyday wear. The crochet pattern dog sweater size is extra small to extra large plus custom fit tutorial by Maria's Blue Crayon, owned by Maria Weber, is a PDF digital download crochet pattern for a pullover dog sweater. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.